Okay, well here are our leather sewing thimbles. They sent these to us so we could show them to you, and it came in a pack with 2 medium and 2 large. And so I opened up the medium one because I don't have very large hands and stuff, so I figured that would work. But really it's made out of a nice soft leather with a little disc, a little metal disc in the middle to help with the pushing and stuff.
Yeah.
And it's going to be a really super nice addition to the Vellostar sewing kit that Vellostar sent to us so we could show it to you. And then we got the thimbles that this company sent to us so we could show them to you. And so it's really nice, soft leather. And you can see there's that little metal disc right there. That's the medium size. And then we have the large, but I think our fingers are better for the medium probably. But yeah, really, really soft, nice. Really... And I can just imagine pushing the needle. Let me grab a needle here. Okay, so there's a needle there in your hand. And then you can use that little disc as a pusher thing there and stuff. Just push, 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 da, 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 like that and stuff. So yeah, just push it through the fabric easier, especially when you got thick fabric and it's hard to push the needle through.
Sew leather together, you know, when I'm making my beaded keychains, and I always needed that
leather thimble.
Yeah, something like that to push it through. Otherwise, it's like
it's impossible.
Right, ouch.
Yeah. Thanks for sending those. That's going to be really handy. Really good addition to our kit.
Right.